When a company approaches me, this is what I tell them. Told a company this the other day, and I thought if they go away mad, fine, whatever. Bread machine is what you hear. So I want you to know something. I get emails all the time and some DMs here on Instagram. People, companies wanting me to partner with them and that kind of thing. Here's what I tell them. And some of them have not liked it. Some of them have just gone away mad. Okay, I tell companies that I have thankfully earned the trust of my audience, my followers. And I don't take that lightly. And I've told them this. This is what I tell every one of them. Because usually the way this works is companies say, hey, we're going to send you this XYZ, product, and we want you to make, 4 reels and, such and such. All right, well, I'm not going to share a product that I don't like or that I haven't even used. I'm not going to share and tell about, you need me? Okay, all right, I'm coming. I'm not going to share a product or tell about it or whatever if I don't use it and haven't used it and haven't tested it. So when companies say, hey, we're going to send you this, whatever, and you've never used it before, but we want you to make 4 reels, and I don't do that. I'm not doing that. I'm not sharing about products just because you want to give me stuff or just because you're paying me or whatever. I don't operate like that. So what I tell companies is if you want to send me the product for me to test so that I can offer an authentic response to you, then go for it. That's great. That's just called, doing business and write-offs or whatever. I absolutely am not going to just blindly, okay, you're sending me a free product, yay, I'm gonna, start telling people how great it is. I don't do that. So I have had companies, when I tell them that, I tell them I value honesty and I value authenticity. And I've had some companies, I never heard from them again. Whatever, I didn't need to do business with those kind of people anyway. Then I've had 3 companies to send me their product with no strings attached. Actually, one of them did have strings attached. I thought I was going to love the product, so I did have a Zoom meeting with the people. And I said, yeah, I'll make videos and all this. Well, I got their product, and it was very inferior. I'm not going to tell you what it is, because that's another thing. I tell these companies, I'm not going to go bad-mouthing or discrediting your product. I'm just not going to share it. I'm not going to partner with you. When I don't like their product, I go back to them and I'll say, this is why I'm not going to work with you. This is why I don't care for your product. And I'm very honest and kind, but I'm very honest about it. I'm forthright about it. Okay. So I had one company that their product was so inferior, and I was really surprised it was inferior. But I emailed them, told them all the different points of why I thought their product was inferior. I said, I want to see you succeed, because I really thought it was an American company. Well, that's what I work with. But I really wanted their product line to succeed. But I never heard back. Nothing. I heard nothing back from them. Well, then I had another company that I referred to in my stories not long ago. And their advertising was full of foul language or innuendos, and I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Like they'd say, slang and foul words, but, put the little symbol in there so it's not, but it is. No, I'm not doing that. I had a very respectful conversation about that. I explained to them, this is not me. This is not me at all. And I'm not gonna, and I love their product. Love it. I'm using it today, actually. I love their product. But no, I'm not aligning myself with that foulness. Okay. And then another one, I tried their product. It was a food related product. And I made 2 reels. I made a lot of content. I need my apron now. So then another product, just recently, less than a month ago, they said, we'll send this product to you with no strings attached. I was like, great, that's the way I like to do business. And you test it out and make a reel if you want to. Okay, so I made 2 reels because I was like, man, I'm so excited about this product. I had made the 2 reels and we bit into the food. And I was like, nope. And the family thought it was okay, but I thought it was under par because I only want to bring y'all, you know, products I love. And so I wrote them back and I was like, you know, hate to say this because I really was hoping this was going to work out, but this is why I don't like your product. And I specifically, I mean, you know, I was very, because I want to help them. I want to help people grow, right? I want to help businesses and especially the small, you know, small businesses and not corporations. I want to help them grow. I never heard hide nor hair from them. So I think that is poor business right there. And I told him, I said, I said, I made reels, but I'm not going to put them out or anything like that. And I'm not going to discredit your product, but this is why I don't like your product. And again, like I said, I heard nothing back. Not howdy, thank you for trying, we're mad at you. I heard nothing. I just wanted to let you know that when I bring you a product, I like it. I'm pleased with it. I like it. You're not going to see me share a product that I don't like. Also, sharing products is a way for people like me, affiliates, influencers, content creators. It's a way for us to make a little income. I do mean a little, but I would appreciate it if you do support me and your favorite influencers and affiliates because it does help us out. So a little bit about how that works. Y'all count your blessings and have a good day. I'll talk to you later. Love y'all.